guys. Ooh. Do you see it? I know you see it. 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 Hey, hey. Okay. Of course, this is the finished look of the Huda Beauty palettes. Their Warm Brown Obsessions one. I'm really digging the reddish pink stone burnt color. It's gorgeous, and I'm digging this lip too. And I'm digging everything, honestly. I'm digging this gold that I had used as to highlight. Only two colors I used was this one, this brick color, and the gold that's in the middle from the Warm Brown Obsessions palette from Huda Beauty. Yes. And of course, I just did one color on the eye. You know, I did the inner corner, the lower lash line, and the brow bone with the gold. And my lips, I use Hot Cocoa, the NYX lip pencil, and some clear gloss, and NYX, a handy dandy lip plumper I always use, of course, nothing new. Mascara from L'Oreal, the voluminous one. You know which one I'm talking about. It's so hard to say for some reason. But yes, and I did my brows was already done off camera. Before my brows, just to let you know, I use any drugstore brand. I have LA Colors eyeliner and brow pencil in the color dark brown, which is too dark, but you know, I still work with it. And the concealer that I use, and also the base for my eyeshadow, I use LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. And that's about it. You know, look at the brow bone. That looks very nice. It came together very nicely. Close up. Oh my. You thought I was in slow-mo. I'm not. But yeah, you guys, I hope you like this little look I done. I think it's pretty. I think in every video, but I really think this one is really nice. I hope you do too. But anyways, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and don't be afraid to share anybody that you may know that might enjoy the little amateur videos, because of course I'm a beginner. I'm learning as I go, so stick with me and you'll see my progress. Everything gets better, and I will see you guys in my next video. Let's appreciate this highlight before I go. It's not even a highlight, it's an eyeshadow, but it's working as a highlight right now, and I'm bye guys.